Have you ever heard about the high-level streetcar in Edmonton? The fun fact is that it's one of the city's main attractions and the highest river crossing of any streetcar in the world. The anticipation builds as we wait for the ride to begin. It's a short trip starting from the government center, heading downtown, then crossing the high-level bridge toward Kingsman Park and White Avenue in Oyster Corner. I'm so excited to take the journey. I bought the ticket when I got on board. It's $8 for adults, and we will need to have cash to buy it. While waiting, I took a look around inside the streetcar. It feels like stepping back in time 100 years with vintage asphalt products like Lifebuoy soap, like Heinz ketchup, spaghetti, and many fun advertisements for the products of the old town. You see these gentlemen, they are the volunteers from the Edmonton Radio Railway Society, and they help operate the streetcar and maintain it and keep this iconic ride alive year-round. Before the trip begins, we will listen to the instruction from the captain. Oh, they're so professional. I like the experience and I like the uniform that they wear. They ring the bell and they highlight that all the works being done here are on volunteering basis. That's something very popular in Canada. Everyone is so excited for the trip to begin. They call it a streetcar, but I think this is rather a train. Yeah. And as we set off, I immediately spot the stunning legislature building behind the green trees. It's far from there. There you will see that's the legislature building. It's one of Edmonton's most iconic landmarks. If you visit Edmonton, a photo with the legislature is a must. And now we see the high-level bridge. This wide bridge is a must check-in when you visit Edmonton. And if you search Edmonton from Google, you will find all the scenery with this bridge. The name of the bridge is the Wantedale Bridge, and they often call the high-level bridge and the lower-level bridge. The view is breathtaking. The blue river below, the green trees slowly turning yellow in autumn approaches, and the cars moving along the streets. It's so amazing. Oh, I love this view. And next we pass the Kingsman Park, filled with beautiful green spaces. Wow, it's so green. What I love about Edmonton is that everywhere we go, we see green spaces. And there are not a lot of people here. The population is only around 1 million. Looking ahead, we see beautiful scenery ahead of us. And now we enter a tunnel, emerging on the other side into the on-track corner. Wow, it's just taking a very short moment, but we experienced how to enter the dark tunnel and how to see the light at the end of the tunnel. This is wonderful. And now we enter the on-track corner area. Look, we can see the wall painting in the on-track corner. I really love the mural art painting in Edmonton. There are a lot of ones with beautiful painting from artists. On the return trip, I recorded a video of myself looking out of the window at the Edmonton Bridge. I love this feeling, and I also noticed the clever design of the seats. They flip over for the ride back. Oh, we can take this idea to order a chair in our home. As the journey ends, we take off the train, and now it's over. Honestly, I hadn't planned to take this trip until my aunties came to Edmonton to visit me from Paris. It turned out to be such a fun day. I highly recommend anyone in Edmonton to try the high-level streetcar. It's worth it, not just for the history, but for the new memories it creates, giving you a fresh perspective of the city. It reminds me so much of the trains in England, and I love how Edmonton offers little touches of European beauty everywhere. Keep exploring Edmonton. This has been Canada Journey with Anne. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye!